Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Wood Revival. Today I've got this old set of drawers that are looking a little worse for wear. Let's see if we can freshen it up with a new look. These drawers are a bit beat up. We've got some surface scratches, the legs are a bit loose, and there's a couple of chips in the veneer. Let's see what we can do. We'll start by giving it a clean with simple green and a rag to remove all the dirt and grime. Next I'll sand with 120 grit on a random orbit sander to get rid of all those scratches. The veneer is super thin, so I have to be careful not to burn all the way through it. The top came out looking super fresh, all those scratches completely disappeared. Next I disassembled the legs to make it easier to sand them. I gave the legs a sand with 120 grit on a mouse sander, and then I went over everything with 320 grit to give it a smooth finish. I used wood filler to fill these screw holes on either side, and then I left it to dry overnight before sanding. Next I cleaned everything with alcohol on a rag, and then I applied 3 coats of Danish oil to all the surfaces. Danish oil really brought out the colour of that veneer. I finished oiling. I decided the face of the drawers needed something extra to make it stand out, so I taped up the handles, gave them a quick sand, and then I threw a couple of coats of gold spray paint on them. Finally, I put everything back together. Let's have another look at how it started. These drawers are pretty tired and just boring, to be honest. And now the final result. I'm really happy with how these came out. The gold on the handles really catches the eye and it gives this piece more character. It's just a great reminder that even the most worn out furniture can get a second chance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more DIY Wood Revival content.